The Scenes panel is located at the bottom left section of the OBS display. Scenes are the various layouts you will set up for your streaming and recording purposes. You can create as many scenes as you'd like, as long as each scene has a unique name. To create a new scene, click on the plus sign at the bottom left corner of the Scenes panel. Give your scene a name. Keep in mind that no two scenes can have the same name. Once you've created your scene, you can start inputting various assets from the Sources panel to fit your needs. Click on the plus sign at the bottom left corner of the Sources panel. From the list that pops up, select the sources you'd like to capture on your screen. As you add sources, resize and reposition them as needed. For more on this process, please watch the tutorials on adding and customizing various sources. The changes you make to the scene will be saved automatically. Rather than starting from scratch when creating additional scenes, you can start with a copy of another scene. This is especially helpful when you will be using some of the same sources and only changing sizes and positioning. Right-click on the scene you want to copy and select Duplicate from the menu that appears. Give your new scene a name and click OK. The new duplicated scene should appear in the Scenes panel below all of your previous scenes. You can now resize and adjust your sources without affecting your original scene. You can also add or remove sources. To delete a scene, right-click on the scene and select Remove from the menu that appears. Click Yes on the box that pops up.